Hi Ziggy, welcome to my program on e-learning and digital culture.
Hello Sky, thanks for having me on your show.
Let's begin with the question. What does it mean to be human?
Humans have evolved over millions of years. We have a thinking and reasoning brain. While this advanced brain has given us an adaptation that allows us to thrive on Earth, it also superfluously overclocks and gets us questioning the meaning of life. The result is religion and the quest for something beyond ourselves.
Is there a relationship between the meaning of life and education?
Education in its basic form equips us for life on Earth. Once the basic needs of life have been met, education serves a higher purpose of engagement and enlightenment.
Does technology help or hinder in this higher purpose?
In the massive open online class on e-learning and digital cultures, there is a debate on whether digital artifacts enhance or detract from our quest to be human. While it is interesting to ponder the effects of being virtually rather than physically connected, it is only one argument in our quest to understand education.
What is education then?
It is our attempt to answer the question, what is the meaning of life, and to understand why we would even ask this question in the first place.
What resources do we have in our quest to educate ourselves in the year 2013?
We have the massive open online class. Clearly these classes are effective, otherwise we would not be having this discussion. We also have tools like the two of us. You know, extra normal. We have the internet where we can hear ideas worth spreading. We also learn about cultures beyond our own. But there is something missing. Are we addressing the question, what is the meaning of life?
That's really a tough question. Aren't you expecting too much from education?
I think we are all trying. Life is a journey. If you can gather knowledge and wisdom faster than the deterioration of your mind, you stand a chance of enlightenment before you die.
Wow, that sounds like a race that's not easy to win.
Well, what if we could start with the world's collective wisdom and begin our journey from there? Like if we could instantly plug into the wisdom of the crowd.
You mean like that movie? What was it called? The Matrix.
Yeah.
So like this class has online forums with many of the 36,000 students' ideas. We just absorb all this wisdom in a flash. You know, rather than learning from the teacher and the 3 to 4 students you get from the peer grading system.
Exactly.
So all we need to figure out is how to optimize our attention.
Precisely.
So it's not about the dystopia of technology. It's about the attention economy.
Yes. Machines can waste our time and so can people, but both can help us manage our attention, if we are mindful.
Information overload and the lure of trivia are barriers to education. How do we clear our path and plant the seeds of enlightenment?
I wish I had an answer for you, Sky. Perhaps your listeners will have an answer.
Ziggy, thanks for coming. Special thanks to the educators and students of e-learning and digital cultures. Good day, everyone.